What's good, people, man? I'm riding up under this fire, my G. Only if y'all knew how bad this month is blazing. Boy, so bad. It's ridiculous. Let me turn right here so I can get out and show y'all. Oh my goodness. People. It's your boy AJ, man. AJ Webstar. And this is crazy ass fire. Man, look, that's the sun in the middle of the fire right there. You can't even see the sun. Look how crazy it's going. I mean, it's crazy as a motherfucker. This shit crazy. Hey, you know what caught fire?
It's one of the paper mills.
Oh, the paper mills. Man. Crazy. It's stank out here, too. It's ridiculous. We got hella traffic. Man, there's a way over there. Oh my goodness, I have never, look at it. That's the sky. That is super dark. Only if y'all can tell how dark this is. Got the helicopters flying. They should be evacuating these houses. Look, it's that crib right here. It's ridiculous. I mean, it's super ridiculous. All this smoke, man, look like some out of Ghostbusters. You can't even see the sky. All you see is smoke. Oh my goodness. See, look, now the sun coming back out. Bright as ever. Oh my goodness, this looks ridiculous. I think they must have did something because it looks like it's getting lighter. Look at the streets. It's crazy, man. Hey, I don't want to be in that smoke. That smoke is too crazy.